So today we're going to talk about a balanced approach to paying off your credit card debt or student loan debt. Hello, my name is Cheryl Norman and I'm the principal of Flagship Capital Advisors, a full-service financial planning firm. Today I want to talk about compound interest and how it can work against you if you have credit card debt or other types of debt like student loan debt. What I want to do today is illustrate the impact paying off your debt early could have on your savings for the future. So let's just take an example, if you will, of $10,000 of credit card debt at 9% interest, and let's just say you have a plan to pay that back over time, over a 10-year period of time. And let's just take a look at if we paid that same debt back within a 5-year period of time at that same 9% interest, and what that would do to lower your interest payments over time. So what we'll do is we'll take a look at this printout, and we see that a $10,000 loan at 9% interest paid back over a 10-year period of time would result in paying back $15,000. So that would have cost you $5,000 in interest over that 10-year period of time, and your monthly payment would be $127 a month. If we increased your monthly payment from $127 a month to $208 a month, your quick pay 5-year loan savings would be $2,746. So instead of spending over $15,000 for $10,000 of debt, you would have spent $12,455, saving you $2,746 in interest over time. So it really does make sense to do some calculations and figure out what you can afford to pay back on a monthly basis, while at the same time being able to save money. So many times having credit card debt ends up being a vicious cycle because you really want to pay that debt down, and you might just be throwing money, let's just say willy-nilly, at that credit card debt on a monthly basis versus having a plan to put down the same amount of money every month on that credit card, while at the same time then saving money on a monthly basis as well, so that you have a plan to pay back that debt as well as bolstering your savings, instead of just plowing all of your monthly cash flow on the credit card payment, thinking that over time you'll get that paid off and then you'll be able to start saving money. It just doesn't work that way. You really need to be saving money while at the same time paying off the credit card and having a balance so that you have money available to you for things that might come up over that debt repayment period. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed today's content. Please feel free to contact me at any time. There's a Contact Us link available to you on my website.